What are you looking for, mate?
Hutton Primary. I lost it.
Oh, where is it? Where is Hutton Primary?
Where is it?
Where is Hutton Primary?
Hutton Primary is in...
Take two.
Hutton Primary is in Boreland, 10 minutes from Lockerbie.
Hi, this is our outdoor classroom, and this is our favourite part of the school week.
Throw!
Tricked ya! Here, I'll put him sit there. And Jazzy can't go that way. Place one there next. So Jazzy can't go that way.
You're thinking ahead, aren't you, Mary? Hold on.
This is where we do pee!
My name's... God, it's hard! Hi, my name's Kirsten. I'm the Parent Council Chair. We've got a wonderful Parent Council here at Hutton Primary, really active and involved in the school. So let's go in and meet the kids and see why they love Hutton Primary.
I like Hutton Primary because it's a quiet school and it doesn't have as much noise and it doesn't have very many people in it. I like Hutton Primary because it's nice.
I like Hutton Primary School because it's a small school and you don't get as many loud noises.
I like Hutton Primary School because it's a small school and you get more attention when learning.
It's good to be involved with the community.
Hutton Primary is a small school and it's a good experience for all teachers. I would like my teacher to have a sense of humour. I want my teacher to be kind.
I like a teacher that is ambitious and likes to work with children and they make your learning really fun.
I like a teacher that's fun and fair.
I'd like my teacher to be outdoorsy.
I would like to be challenged by my teacher.
We love gardening and getting our hands all dirty.
We like to build dens at break time.
We
hope you love our school as much as we do. We can't wait to meet you